Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the ShengShou 4x4. I got this from Light Take. Let's see. There we go. Light Take. So, yeah, let me open this. I ordered it back in November. It took about a week to process and about a month to ship. So, nothing else in there. Here is the 4x4. Got it in white. Kind of beat up. Has the mechanism and stuff. Yeah. So let's open this up. Box is falling apart. I should move this out of the way. Comes with directions. I guess that's how to solve the 4x4. Yeah. So here is the 4x4. As you can see, it came that sticker just a little bit torn. This one has either a hair underneath it. Yeah, I think that's a hair underneath it. Hopefully you can see that. See first turns. Oh, that's nice. Bit loose right now. Very smooth. And let me play with it for a little bit, and I'll get back to you guys in a review. Okay, guys. So now for the review. As you can see, this is the ShengShou 4x4. And let's do a size comparison first. This is a Maru. It was a little bit smaller there, a little bit smaller overall. Here is a Diane MF8, and you can see smaller as well. And this is a Lan, and you can see that it's smaller. I think it's the size of a Ishin. But it might be bigger if you hold on just 1 second. Okay, hopefully I wasn't gone too long. Here's compared to the QJ. You can see that it's a lot smaller. And here's an Ishin. So I was wrong. It's a little tiny bit bigger than the Ishin, but smaller than the rest of the 4x4s. Those are all the 4x4s I have. These two I'm going to be selling on eBay. When I get everything all set up, I'll put a video up talking about it, and yeah, so let's see. Let's start with corner cutting. About a half a QB, I would say. Something like that. Middle slices. So, not too great. I mean, not bad. I mean, here's the Lan and corner cutting. See how little that is? It doesn't do it at all. So, I might sell this one too just because I don't like it. I mean, the outsides are good, but there'll be a review coming up soon sometime. Anyway, getting back to this. And that was corner cutting. Sticker quality. Let's see. Let's do. Okay, so those two, those two, those two. In the unboxing part, I mentioned there was a hair that I thought in a yellow piece. It was this one right there. It was a hair. I took my sticker remover, lifted up the sticker, used a tweezer to get out the hair. Took it out. There was another one on the red side, but it was already sticking out. I wasn't sure if that one was from me or from them. Sorry, thought I saw another one. So that was kind of weird. I don't know if that was from the ShengShou company, from Light Take, or what happened in that. But that was kind of creepy and weird. This one, my sticker did come peeled a little bit. Come on. But that's from rough packaging from Light Take, so I recommend ordering it off of a local United States thing, and don't order from Light Take during this time of year because they are booked with flights, and so everything takes twice as long. Hence why it took over a month to get here. I haven't mentioned it, it did take a long time. Let's see. Show you here's the center. Take these pieces out. And I don't want to take it too far apart, but you can see it looks like a I don't know if you can see in there. It's like a clearish type core. I'm not sure. Here's a corner though. Looks kind of like a guhong, Lin Young type thing. With this weird thing. Put that back in. Here is a centerpiece. This is hollow. Okay, let's put those back in. Okay, and then these are the edge pieces. So they have like these hollow arm, a back with ridges, and I like ridges, so I'm not going to sand them off. But if you do want to learn how to sand them off, they're on there too. That's a cap. I suggest checking out El Bisto's video on modding it. It's right here, and the whole mechanism. Link to it's going to be around here somewhere. Great video on how to mod and your Ishin and what the inside does look like, because I don't want to take mine apart right now. So go check him out. He has 2 videos right now, but watch them. They're both on the ShengShou. Yeah, there's not much else I can say about this. Feels very crispy. But has a sort of smooth feeling also. Kind of a different cube. I enjoy it. Feels better than my Diane. And I like that feel, but it's, see how it's all slow on the inside. I have taken apart and lubed it, and I could take apart the inside mechanism, but I don't feel like doing that. So here's that. And yeah, and then pretty much all I can say about this. It does seem a little bit loose. It could be tightened, but I don't want to mess up the tensions because I kind of like it the way it is. Go get this at wherever it's sold. Link in the description below. And I'm gonna leave you guys with a solve. Ham scrambles if you wanted to know.